Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English on YouTube. My name is Alex, and I am delighted to share this moment with you today. In this episode, we are going to address a crucial topic for every learner: how to maintain the course and the passion for learning a new language, whether it's English, Russian, or any other language you are studying. We will talk about resilience, how to turn frustration into energy, and above all, the art of celebrating the small steps that lead to great victories. To help you follow easily, I will speak at a deliberately slow and measured pace. I will use clear vocabulary and reiterate the main ideas so that you can focus on the meaning. This is the perfect moment to practice listening and perhaps even repeating aloud after me. So, are you ready? Take a deep breath, relax, and let's start this new step together. Learning a new language is undoubtedly one of the most rewarding adventures. But let's be honest, it's not always easy. It is absolutely normal to feel discouraged sometimes, to get stuck on a grammar rule, or to feel like progress is too slow. If you feel this way, know that you are not alone. Every person who has learned a new language has gone through these moments of doubt. Learning requires patience and time. Time to listen, time to practice, and time to allow your brain to adapt and build new connections. Some days, you will feel energized and the words will come naturally. Other days, you will just want to stop. That is an integral part of the journey. That is why we need simple, reliable strategies to help us push through the tough times. Today, we're focusing on one of the most powerful: consistency. Remember this: even a tiny effort every day is much more effective than a big effort occasionally. You do not need to master everything immediately. You do not need to speak without an accent. You just need to keep moving forward, slowly, gently, one word, one sentence at a time. You are doing something difficult, and you are doing it well. Learning is like climbing a lighthouse. The climb is long and sometimes steep, but when you look back, you realize that you have already left a lot of ground behind you. You have memorized new verbs. You have listened. You have practiced. You are higher up than you were last time. All learners, whether fast or slow, need one essential thing: motivation. Motivation is not a constant firework. Sometimes it is quiet, like a small spark. It's that little voice that whispers, "Try again, just 5 more minutes." If you feel exhausted, rest, then come back. If you are confused, breathe, then reread. You do not need a perfect plan. You need the only thing that matters: returning to the task again and again. So I invite you to ask yourself this simple question: why do I want to learn this language? Is it for your career? Is it to communicate with a loved one? Is it to travel and discover a new culture? Your reason is your engine. It is powerful. It is the energy source that will help you stay committed. Once you have identified your why, make it visible. Write it down on a note card and place it on your fridge, your computer, or your bathroom mirror. This goal, this personal mission, is not a luxury. It is the fundamental fuel that will light the way on the darkest days. Whenever the learning feels heavy, look at your reason. Let it remind you that you are not just studying a subject. You are building a future. Every day you practice, even if it is just 5 minutes of reading or listening, you are taking a step forward. You are growing. You are improving. and you should be proud of your courage. You are opening a door to the world, and that is worth all your efforts. And if you wish to receive more tips on motivation and listen to our episodes at a slow pace for serene learning, don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is the best way to ensure continuous progress. This door you are opening leads to more than just communication. It leads to understanding. Think about the millions of books, the endless films, the scientific papers, and the global news sources that become accessible to you. You are not just acquiring vocabulary. You are gaining direct access to new perspectives, new ideas, and the unfiltered voices of other cultures. This intellectual freedom is arguably the greatest gift that language learning offers. Furthermore, language is a professional game changer. In our increasingly interconnected economy, fluency in a second language, even at a moderate level, sets you apart. It signals to employers that you are adaptable, persistent, and capable of complex thinking. Whether you are aiming for a promotion, seeking international work, or launching your own venture, this skill is a tangible asset that directly translates into more opportunities and greater career mobility. Stay motivated, stay patient, and be kind to yourself.